What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Just Dex or Lvce.locks, or it's Just Dex if you follow me on Just Dex. And you only follow me on Just Dex if you really support me. And you only really support me if you really on my team. And you really only on my team if you subscribe to Just Dex. But that's enough plug. If you don't want to sub to me, man, do what you do. Do what you do. Do what you do. I'm about to be restoring some fakes, bro. If you looked at the thumbnail, I'm sure you already seen them. They terrible. Simply put, they're terrible. They're like, the quality of the shoe ain't just but the shoe is really, really bad, bro. Like, I'ma just show y'all. I'm supposed to be probably playing right now. The shoes is really, really bad. And I'm gonna be restoring these this week. They for my auntie's friend. Wink wink. They for her friend, so I'm gonna go ahead and do them, man. I'm gonna keep my comments to myself. I'm not gonna tell, bro, like, these are really bad fakes. I'm not gonna work on them because they for her friend. And if I needed her to do something for my friend, she'd do it. So we gonna make sure to do the restoration. But yeah, man, I guess that's it. I'm just kind of stopping in to let y'all know I haven't given up on sneakers. I just haven't been posting on this channel as much because I have a side channel that I'm trying to like grow. I want that channel to be bigger than Lvce.locks because Lvce.locks is so specific, man. Lvce.locks is have you done a custom this week? Just Dex gets posted on every day. Like every day. Whatever I feel like doing that day. Whether it's a reaction. Whether it's a prank. I just did a prank on my roommate. A Be My Meat prank on my roommate that I'm posting tomorrow, matter of fact. So if you're not subscribed to... I'm going to play a clip of that. Bro, the camera... Look, there's a camera right there. I had this camera recording right here.
Bro, that's not funny.
Yo, I did not think this was gonna work, bro.
Oh God, bro.
Hey, new haircut, that just clean though.
Appreciate it.
Y'all look, bro, crazy.
That's a good thing. Good ass, bro.
Yeah. But if you're not subscribed, you're doing it all wrong. You're really not on my team, and you should be, because by you subscribing, you committed to being on my team. But it's great. I can't make you do it. Yeah, you just should. I'm going to get this video up to y'all today. Let me get 10 new subscribers on Just Dex, and I'll let y'all give me the date. As long as it ain't nothing ridiculous, like I want a video of them shoes tomorrow. If it's like I want it by Wednesday, I got you. Give me 10 to 15 new subscribers on that channel, and I got you. We'll get this terrible, horrible, fake. We'll get them restored for y'all. Gang. Just Dex, Lvce.locks, tuning in, tuning out. Peace.